Good morning. We have some active weather in the forecast for today. A little bit of everything. If you want winds, if you want calmer winds, if you want record warmth, and then cooler temperatures, it's all happening within 24 hours. A lot going on. And guess what? I'm here to break it all down for you. And I'm going to have you ready to go for your Friday. Let's talk about these strong winds in the forecast for today. I'm setting this in motion. This is right before that lunch hour. We will be dealing with some very powerful southwest winds. That's going to push those temperatures up well above our seasonal average for this time of the year. Before we get there, there's that cold front. You can see that it will start to inch its way. It's going to take its time before it gets here. We will have additional winds throughout the day and again into the evening hours where we could see periodic gusts pushing about 35 to 40 miles per hour. So this morning we're looking at 15 to 25 miles per hour with those winds. These are your sustained winds. The worst of the winds will be this afternoon. Southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour. South to north this evening. So after sunset, that's when we'll see those changes rolling in and a drop in those temperatures. Let's talk about what we're seeing for you as you're getting out the door. Get this day going. Do not grab the coat. You will regret it. 62 degrees at this hour. Impressive warmth. South winds are on 13 miles per hour. Keeping a close watch on some areas of fog. Notice those dew points have come up quite a bit since what we've seen. Right now about 56 for that dew point. Once those dew points and temperatures line up, that's when that patchy fog can start to take hold. Thankfully, those winds should break apart any of that poor visibility, but we're watching that closely. Cooler air trying to sneak down into Bartlesville. You're at 37, but Bartlesville, as we head into the next couple of hours, you will be warming back into those 50s, 60s, and potentially 70s. Here in Tulsa, we are going to hit 70s this afternoon. I expect a few more breaks in that cloud deck. Check these numbers out. December the 10th, and we're tracking temperatures in the upper 70s in a lot of locations. We should be at 52 degrees, lower 50s for highs this time of the year. So very warm conditions nonetheless. 75, that was our record high, set back last year, so not too long ago. Forecasted 77, seasonal average 52 to 53 degrees. So we will be breaking that record for today. I do not expect us not to be breaking that record for today. As we look towards future track, I told you all this will become crashing down. Cooler temperatures after record warmth. You ready? Here we go. Friday at 5:22 p.m. That's where I wanted to stop you. All of a sudden 35 by about this time tomorrow. Complete 180 from what we're dealing with right now. So before you go to bed tonight, make sure you turn on that heater. You will want that for tomorrow. If you're head up for any Christmas parades, I know Corey, Justin, and myself will be out at Tulsa's tomorrow. 40s will be expected. Keep in mind northwest winds will be there. Make sure that you have some mittens in addition to that glove because those will be brisk and that will add some cooler feels like conditions out there. For Bixby at 6:30 tomorrow evening, keep all of that gear with you. No changes, 30 degrees. Staying in those 30s, I should say, upper 30s, and then falling through the night